Have you ever tried to upload a file only to be met with an unexpected error? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling a common Django issue related to file uploads. I understand how annoying it can be when you're trying to overwrite a file and instead you get an error message. You're definitely not alone in this. Many new Django users face similar challenges. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. A user wants to upload a new file to replace an existing one in their Django model, but they encounter an error related to the getAvailableName method. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So what's happening here? The error message indicates that the getAvailableName method is receiving an unexpected keyword argument called maxLength. This usually means that the method's signature does not match what Django expects. And don't go anywhere. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To resolve the error, the user needs to modify the getAvailableName method in the overwrite storage class. Specifically, they should remove the maxLength parameter from the method definition. Next, the user should ensure that the method still performs its intended function. This means checking if the file already exists and removing it if necessary. After making these changes, the user should test the file upload functionality again. This will help confirm that the error is resolved and that files can be overwritten as intended. If the user continues to experience issues, they should check the Django documentation for any updates or changes related to file storage and handling. Fun fact, did you know that Django was named after the famous jazz guitarist Django Reinhardt? Just like his music, Django aims to make web development smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user is to modify the getAvailableName method. They suggest changing the method definition to include a maxLength parameter. This adjustment allows the method to accept the unexpected keyword argument and resolve the error. Here's the tip I promised. Always check the method signatures in Django documentation when you encounter unexpected errors. This can save you a lot of time and frustration. And there you have it. By adjusting your method, you should be able to upload files without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and remember to check out our other videos for more Django insights.